Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this rocket espresso machine. The customer did an overhaul to the group head themselves, and they had forgotten to install the flow jet, and so then they were getting a delay in the water flow, and when the water flow did come through, it was coming through much too fast, or too much volume. So let's go ahead and test the machine. We have 9 bar of pressure. And a nice shot of espresso. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.